The search bar, also called OneSearch or Primo, allows you to search our catalog of books and ebooks, as well as journals and articles available through our subscriptions. It is most useful when you know the title or DOI of the resource you are looking for. If you're searching the peer-reviewed literature for a topic, you'll get the best results by using a database instead of OneSearch. Type in a word, a phrase, or a combination of words appearing in the article's title. The search tool assumes that you're searching for all of the words entered. The results page will display the first 10 hits sorted by relevance. You can use the Sort By drop-down menu in the left to display items by date, title, or author. The limits in the left sidebar can be added to include or exclude items by publication date, content type, language, etc. Once you locate your desired item, clicking on Download PDF under the item details will take you to the full text article in PDF format, while available online will take you to the HTML version. If the item is not available in our collection, a check availability link will take you to a screen where you can request it from another library using our interlibrary loan service. If you're unable to access the book or article using the provided links, report your problem by clicking on the bug icon. For more detailed instructions on how to access online books and journals using your UT Health credentials, watch the TMC Libraries video on getting to full text.
For searching the literature, check out the core resources. The core resources is the library's curation of the most popular databases and tools the library has to offer. Here, you can access resources like PubMed, Web of Science, or your RefWorks account. You should access databases through the core resources and directly through the library's website to properly log in. For any login issues, please see Remote Access, where there are troubleshooting resources and ways to report access issues. For a full list of the databases you can use to search the literature, check out More Databases. Researchers have access to over 300 databases through the library, and descriptions about content and date coverage for each are given in this list.